When it's time to replace your roof, homeowners in the Dallas-Fort Worth area are often faced with a choice. Hire a large, high-volume roofing company or work with a smaller, well-established local contractor. While large companies can seem appealing because of their size and marketing presence, many homeowners are surprised to learn that smaller companies often provide a better overall experience, a better value, and more personalized service. Here are 6 reasons why many homeowners choose to work with a smaller, established roofing company. Number one, a more personal experience. One of the biggest advantages of working with a smaller roofing company is the personal level of attention you receive throughout the project. Large companies often operate like an assembly line. Sales representatives sign the contract, a project manager then takes over, or it's handed off to a scheduling department or production team. The homeowners may never see the same person twice. With a smaller company, the experience is much more personal. You typically work with the same team member from start to finish. Communication is direct and clear. Your questions get answered quickly, and concerns are addressed by people who are personally invested in the outcome of your project. Number two, a dedicated project manager on site. Roof replacement's not just about installing shingles. It involves phases. These phases include protecting your landscape, removing the old roof, thoroughly inspecting the roof deck, installing leak barriers, underlayment, starter strip to seal the perimeter, installing the proper drip edge, installing the plumbing vent, making improvements to your ventilation when needed, addressing any flashing needs, the final cleanup, and then an inspection of the exterior as well as an inspection of the attic space. Smaller companies often assign a project manager who is physically present on the job site and checking these phases of the installation, as opposed to a salesperson who understands selling but knows very little about roof installations. An experienced project manager helps ensure that the homeowner's questions and concerns are addressed quickly, that the crew has what they need and has a clear understanding of what to do should they run into any unexpected challenges. For homeowners, this means the project is carefully supervised rather than simply scheduled and left unattended, or attended by someone who's not properly trained in how to install a roof. Number three, your budget goes further. Large roofing companies often spend millions of dollars on advertising, big offices, lots of fleet vehicles, especially if they're owned by an investment firm, which is becoming more popular. Those costs don't disappear. They're built into the price of every roof they install. Smaller companies typically operate with lower overhead and minimal advertising expenses, which allows them to stretch your project dollars much further. Instead of paying for billboards, television commercials, radio ads, and massive Google campaigns, homeowners are primarily paying for higher quality materials, skilled labor, and proper installation. In many cases, homeowners receive a better roofing system for a more efficient investment. Number four, honest recommendations without brand pressure. Many large roofing companies have volume agreements with specific manufacturers. These agreements often include incentives for installing a large volume of a certain brand. While these are good materials, these recommendations that homeowners are receiving, they're influenced by those incentives. Smaller established companies are often more flexible, and instead of pushing a particular brand for volume bonuses, they can focus on what best fits the homeowner's needs and style preferences. And they can still obtain those extended warranties when it makes sense for the client. This means homeowners receive objective recommendations rather than sales driven decisions. Number five, consistent, trusted crews. Another difference homeowners notice is the consistency of the installation crew. Large companies often manage dozens or even hundreds of projects simultaneously. Because of this, their subcontractors may be assigned based simply on availability. With a smaller roofing company, the crews are usually long-standing teams that the company trusts and works with regularly. This means the homeowners are more likely to receive the contractor's A crew of experienced installers, to get crews familiar with the company's quality standards, and workers who take pride in the finished result. Consistency leads to better craftsmanship and smoother projects. Number six, reputation means everything. Large volume companies may rely more heavily on advertising pipelines and lead generation systems, where smaller companies rely heavily on word of mouth referrals, local relationships, and online reviews to grow their business. This means that every project matters because each satisfied homeowner can lead to future referrals for that smaller contractor. And for homeowners, this often translates into a company that is highly motivated to deliver exceptional service. The bottom line, a roof replacement is a major investment in your home. Choosing the right contractor can make all the difference. While large roofing companies may dominate the advertising landscape, smaller established local companies often provide a more personal customer experience, on site project management and oversight of the job, better value due to lower overhead, honest product recommendations, and consistent, trusted crews. For many homeowners across Dallas Fort Worth, that combination leads to a smoother project and a roof they can trust for years to come.